This earthquake already was going for like 20 seconds when I started filming.
Are you filming this?
Yeah, I'm filming. Makoto's under his desk. Hopefully I'm not filming the last couple seconds. Oh my God, it's shaking. Hopefully I'm not filming the last couple seconds of my life. Holy crap. Oh my God, that building's really shaking, Makoto. Look at my monitor.
Oh my God.
Wow. Oh my God, that's bigger.